Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a unique superhero named Mr. Fantastic. He was a member of the Fantastic Four, a team of extraordinary superheroes. One evening, Mr. Fantastic decided to surprise his friends with a magical show. He stretched his arms, legs, and even his whole body to create an amazing circus right in his backyard. The stretchy superhero invited his friends, the Thing, Invisible Woman, and the Human Torch. They all gathered around, excited and curious to see what Mr. Fantastic had in store for them. With a snap of his fingers, he made colorful balloons appear. He used his elastic powers to create a huge trampoline that bounced high into the sky. The Thing tried it first, bouncing higher than ever before. Next, Mr. Fantastic made a giant slide out of his extended body. The Human Torch went first, sliding down with a whoosh of flame. Everyone laughed and cheered at the sight. The Invisible Woman made the sky clear, and Mr. Fantastic used his powers to create a beautiful rainbow. They all held hands and danced under the colorful sky, enjoying the magical moment. As the night grew darker, Mr. Fantastic used his powers to make the stars twinkle brighter. He told them a story about the constellations, explaining how they were created. The children listened intently, enchanted by the tale. They felt a sense of peace and wonder, a perfect ending to their fantastic evening with Mr. Fantastic. Before they left, Mr. Fantastic stretched out his hand, inviting them for another adventure. They all agreed, looking forward to their next magical evening with the stretchy superhero. As they said their goodbyes, the sky filled with sparkling fireworks, a gift from Mr. Fantastic. The children left with smiles on their faces, eagerly awaiting their next adventure with the Fantastic Four.